Before you start reading this exercise, I will ask you to have close a piece of paper and a pen to record your findings. Walking in desert. You have been traveling to the desert for days. You are tired and water is running low. You have with you the following 5 animals: a cow, a horse, a lion, a monkey, and a sheep. You only have a limited amount of water left, not enough for you and all your animals to escape. If you run out of water, all of you will die in the desert. You realize that if you are to make it out of the desert at all, you are going to have to make a tough decision. You are going to have to leave one of the animals behind so that the rest of you may live. As you are walking, you have to leave some animals behind. So in the face of hardship, you'll have to make some sacrifices. You decide the order in which you'd like to leave each animal behind. The animal that you kept at the end is the one that you are most dependent on. You have a cow, a horse, a lion, a monkey, and a sheep. Which animal do you want to leave behind first? You have 4 animals left. The desert is burning up. It goes on for miles, sand is everywhere, your water supply is running even lower than you first thought. You realize in order to get out, you'll have to leave one more animal behind. Which one do you leave behind? You have 3 animals left. Walk, walk, walk. Halt, halt, halt. Disaster, the oasis that you are looking for is dried up. You have no choice but to leave another animal behind. Which one do you leave behind? You have only 2 animals left. It's a long, hot walk. You can see the edge of the desert on the horizon. Unfortunately, you don't have enough water left for 3. You can only leave the desert with 1 animal. Which one do you leave behind? Amazing, the 2 of you made it out of the desert. Based on the Japanese archetypes, the desert represents a hardship. Each of the animals represents an aspect of your life. The order in which you sacrifice the animals might be said to represent the importance of these things to you. The one that you sacrifice first is the least important, and the one that you kept is the most important. Feel free to send me your order and the rationale behind it, and I will email you back what each animal represents. Use Contact Me from my webpage to send the message. This book was recorded on March 2020 in Burlington, Ontario, Canada.